Okay, it looks like we are live. So welcome back. Today I'm going to be continuing to work on Kanosu. So, what is this? Okay, so what I'm gonna work on today is I want to fix the issue that I ran into on the last stream where I was working on this game, right? So it's a small game. I can run it real quick. So I'm sort of working on implementing a game so that I can kind of fast. I can use it. I can build a game to test CanoScript. Essentially, is what the plan is. Um, Yeah. Okay. And I ran into an issue to do with it's either with structs or floats. I need to test it a bit to obviously figure out which one is the problem. Um. Yeah. So that is sort of the plan. Now I'm thinking. Right. So I'm gonna try to recreate what the issue was. So I'll just copy and paste the game into I'll just do test.kano and I'll use that game into test.kano. And I need to replicate it, right? So it had to do with structs. It was declared a vector to I I think it'll work with it'll it's the same thing with the vector 2 as well. So let's do draw rectangle V. I think it's back actually. And we need to use x and y. So if we do that, we can declare one here. So we can do player vector 2 equals, so it'll be 0 0 stuff, right? And that's gonna be the position. So actually, well, it's really yeah. Okay, so player dot y. Yeah, so it doesn't have the size, but that's not a big deal. So if I do that, do I have that? I have rec, but not. It might actually just be v. Now I'm thinking about it. I'll go with that, but that might not work. I can actually check. I'll check. So into user include image. Rectangle. Yeah, it is just v. Okay. Okay. Alright, so let me try that. Which is not match. Oh yeah, because it's a float. Oh no. Yeah, so it's float, so I need to use this. And 45. I'm assuming it's with it, so I think I can speed to 1.4. Okay. Is it not? It is float. Oh yeah, I need to set this to float. There we go. Alright. Pointer. And 32 watts. Let's see. It's not in the right place. 251. And then 25. Right, so right there, that is a expected pointer. That is very weird. Where did it find U32? I don't quite understand. I'm gonna go back to hi Stam, how you doing? Coding Kyle. Uh-huh. So is that ooh, okay, it takes a vector 2 for the size as well. That's not the issue, I don't think, but I can do that regardless. I think I can just do this, but it might not work. Might not work because of reasons. So let's do 50.0, 50.0, and this needs to be vector 2 as well. Vector 2, okay. Maybe. Yeah, so that is still not right. This isn't how you do this, so I don't know why that was working actually. So I don't get that pointer part. Equals 51, but that is very strange. You installing Archie? Nice, nice. How's that going? So I didn't complain about that, but I also didn't really get that. So is it with these? If I get rid of these, did it work? No. Alright, so it is something else. That is weird. What the heck? Ooh, did you do player? Alright, yeah, I'm kinda not very smart. Yeah, you have to do that. Okay. And that almost worked. So I think this might be an issue. Already did, nice, nice. Nice. Okay, so we can do it. So this works, right? So I had an issue with the rectangles before, and that it was also with the movement, though. So the movement might be an issue. So let me copy it again from what is it called? It's called game.cam. This one right here, copy it there, and go to test. And that doesn't need yeah, it needs to be the dot. Okay. Where is oh shoot. Wait, what? Oh shoot, I'm modifying the wrong thing. Okay. Yeah, so I kind of messed that one up. Got to change to the other file. That's my line. Right, so that should work still. I just want to make sure it still does work. It's not. Okay, I'll come back to it. That's not the topic today, right? Okay. So this so player one yeah, that needs to be docked. Okay. And alright, it doesn't let us move. And I think it's because it's the same issue that we were having with it. Perhaps we do something else. So we passed the player, and that has the size limit. So it's sort of the same issue that I had before. I don't remember exactly. Right, yeah. So now it moves too fast. That's faster. It's working out what the heck. Right. Okay. So upwards and then leftwards as well, but not the other. Yeah. So that was like an underflow kind of thing. So I think it's getting a pointer, right? And that's what the issue is. It's getting the pointer value rather than the value that we. I don't remember what part that is in exactly. Yeah. Again, this is not right. So I mean, it technically works because it sees that as an impression, but that's not how it's supposed to look, right? Yeah. So that is what happens. So yeah, so I'm gonna look into that. That is the topic of today. Let's go here and using Chromium. All right, what were we using before? Firefox or something different? So Brave. All right. You like Chromium better? Right, so I guess the easiest way to test it with the machine, right? So we could do an add addition, right? It's add, no? Add inst. Where is add? There we go. Open source Chromium. Yeah. Because the closed source Chromium is just Chrome, right? So if it's a float, but it might not detect it as a float, right? If it thinks it's a pointer. So let me print that out. And it may not recognize it, right? Yes. Dog, shoot for real, for real. Oh, it's not weird that as well. So you like Chromium better than Brave? Like it's obviously sort of less bloated Brave, right? Okay, and damn. Right, it actually is on the subtraction. It's that it does that, right? Yeah, so I need to actually go to that. Yeah. So that's sort of where the issue is. So if I do that, go again. Hecker. tech W. And it did not actually say anything. Yeah, so I think it's because if we put it out here, it'll say. Yeah. Disabled mouse acceleration. I am not sure. I do not know. Why is it always so jacked up? That is very much not the way we want. Yeah, we can see they're invalid over here. So that's sort of where the issue is. Go to the addition. And I'll put that here as well. Is it trying to add W pedantic? Am I? I guess I am not. I don't know why. Yeah, I thought I was. I am on Kano, I'm quite sure. I thought I just copied the old. Maybe not, perhaps not. Okay, does it? Yeah, so it does. It does do stuff, but it doesn't actually move it. Yeah, move this out of the way. It doesn't see it as a float, right? So it's something, I think they are different. I don't remember what the difference is exactly. I guess that maybe versus or that. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, thank you. Does not show. Let's go here. What the frick? Okay. I guess when you put dash it messes it up. W as in one? Yeah. Maybe less useful. Okay, stable. Minus standard. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so it's not a flip, right? That is what the issue is. So why is it not? That is very strange. Also, right, so that's sort of the issue, right? It is not considered a float, or it's not a float, so that means we have, I think it's a pointer type, if I'm not mistaken. Right, so we're modifying that, and that causes some issues, right? Yeah, I could add all those. Let's see what it says. So, all right, well, I'm not going to do the C89. Yeah, I don't want to do all this. I don't care about the prototypes that much. At least not right now. I don't feel like going through it at the moment. Okay, so let's see. So if we have a struct, let's go to J expression, right? Look at that one. Strictest stuff ever, yes. For real, for real. That. Oh, we don't do stuff. Oh yeah, that's only for an int. And if it's float, we push float. Okay, okay. Yeah, we don't have stuff for a double, so we don't. It's not really supported yet. Even though we have the keyword. Alright. So what are we looking for? We're looking for like a struct, like a field. So we get the structure in the variable name. We generate that, and we do this. Okay, so we should have this. And we have that on the left-hand side and the right-hand side. And I feel like that's where the issue comes from. I use pointers because I don't use functions. DHI, for real, for real. Still need it sometimes without functions, but okay, so let me make a S2, right? And I want so I'm gonna make a struct. Let's just be let's call it a vector 2 anyway, because why not? And then float, so I want sort of the same conditions, right? So we have that, and we can create a vector 2 equals 1.0 and 2.0. And let me just exit. Well, okay, exit's not going to work very well. I don't really have a way to print it, do I? But I guess it will. So if I do exit vec.a plus vec.b, what does that say? No bar. Alright, so that doesn't work. Did I miss something? Yeah, so that's something to do with the expression. What is the expression that is incorrect here? Yeah. Hello, Pra, Tim, and Noah watching on YouTube, for sure, for sure. Oh, it loads. Yeah, there we go. On YouTube. Okay, okay. Yeah, so that, I really need to fix that issue. Right, so it's here, when it doesn't have a file name. Or when it doesn't have, yeah, it doesn't have the file name. So that's an issue, right? So I think that comes from gen expression. Not gen expression, but parse expression. So in some place I don't set it properly, don't set the location. Yeah, parse primary actually. Right. So the location should it be set here, right? We set it there. So anywhere that we return we want to set. Or set it for all of them, you know? Equals anywhere that we do something like that. The worst thing that happens is when the problem is in the C code of CanoScript. For real, for real. Do not use that here. Ooh, it could be something, well, it's not this one specifically, but it could be something like that. Like, these shouldn't be the issue, though, so. Might be an issue with the actual token, but I don't think it is. It works in every other certain thing, okay? So, I'm not sure. Alright, I'll try that. That probably won't fix it still. But, I can try it out, right? So go here. Okay, that actually did fix it, so that's good. Head back, though. Right, yeah, because we have this extra new line here, which is not needed. But yeah, so anyway. No variable type def. What the frick? Oh, shoot. I am stupid. Oh, this is not C. Okay. Expected type that. Found item. So what is that about? Struct vector 2. There is a nobody. Is it? 2, 8. Oh yeah, okay, because it's not C, right? It's not C. I get confused sometimes because it's C or C. This and that. And I go back and forth between them, so. Yeah, alright. Yeah, so that's obviously not right. So I wonder if it's just with floats. You know what I'm saying? Because, something tells me that that is incorrect. Also, could it be with how I'm printing? Because I might not be. Yeah, floats. That should be fine. Uh-huh. Yeah. Let me try it with an integer. Two. And that's not right either. But it is printing as a float, so that's probably probably not quite right. Actually, LD. Yes, stream one? No, thank you. So doing Rust in C sometimes. Interesting. Yeah, it can be hard to go back and forth. How you doing, Prague, by the way? What's up? What's up? So that's still not right. So, the left-hand side is wrong. The secondary one that it pops is wrong. But the other one is not right either. You know, neither of them are right. So I think that isn't right. So that's this must be in this function. this happens. Whoops. Okay, let's go right. Hi, bro. Hello, hello. That's fine. Yeah, so it's probably here. This is where we're reading it, right? And that's where the issue would come from. So, gen field offset. So, is this in here, right? Because we do push. Alright, what do we push it? We duplicate that. So, we do have this pointer, and then we have gen field offset. And then offset, we do this, right? And that's going to be 8. So that's why it would print out 8 there, but it doesn't always do that. So that's kind of concerning, right? That is interesting. Why would it do that? What is it exit? Exit with 3. So it does exit properly. What? Oh, shoot. 1 and 2, actually. Yeah, no, so that's right. But what are these? Oh, shoot. Okay, I'm kind of stupid, actually. No hair long hair. I mean, I have some hair. I used to have long hair, not super long, but okay. Yeah. So I'm kind of stupid. So this is actually right. Yes, I'm just stupid. So that is right. Let me go back to the. Oh, 2.0, and let's do that. Right, so that is. Well, change it to the float. Alright, if I do that, and then ball W, not complete ball. Yeah, it's a lot easier. Yeah, so that is right. Okay, so I'm just kind of stupid, and yeah, let's go to subtraction now, because that is where it is more interesting. So if we do minus, and that is right. So what the heck? It's easier to take care of, you know. You don't have to brush it or whatever. A lot easier to clean. Where's the Emacs stream? I don't know that I'm gonna do that, you know? Just feels like a lot of work. So that works. That is strange. Could it be something else that is the issue? Right, so I'm stupid, right? These are for other stuff. And they make sense. Okay, let me look back at the test case and look at what exactly. So it's when we're setting the variable. So perhaps if we do something like that, then we'll see a bigger issue, right? Let me set vec dot a equals vec dot a plus 1. So if I do that, and then right, 1 and 2. So that didn't change. But everything else did change. That's kind of alright. So these are makes it easier to see. So we have 1 and 1. 2. And I don't, so it didn't change. Shoot. Do you actually not have a lot of them? Oh, well, I mean, it's starting to go back, you know? Resetting or whatever. I had more a few years ago. You want to bald, but you have to do more to keep yourself bald, then you just say, yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. I mean, my hair doesn't grow super fast. I need to get a haircut. It's like, probably 2 or 3 months. It doesn't, like, you know, it doesn't get that long. But sometimes, like, I just am lazy and don't get a haircut, and then it goes out a bit longer. I never got long, but we got, like, the middle stage. It's not that tough. It's fine. Not super exciting, though. Goes within weeks. My brother, his hair grows faster. But I guess mine did when I was, he's younger. And mine did grow as well. Faster. So he'll probably get there too. Okay. Yeah, so it's an issue with that, and I have an idea as to what it is. So basically. Right. It's still weird that it prints out each frame, but basically, I think what the issue is do we do that? I don't know that we do that. We do the assignment. This is an assignment. Right, because we do basically variable reassignments before anything, or variable assignments before anything else, right? We have a lot of stuff in this, like, this should be probably an individual function, but we do this, right? And then we do the externals, and then we do gen bars. I don't think that I shouldn't do the reassignment. Fireboy, yep, that is saying yes. So it must be an issue with that, right? Because we did print out the correct values here. 21. Right. It doesn't change, but then it doesn't get. So if I make it in a function, it's a function, right? Then void this, and, right? Because then that sort of changes how the scope works, and it might actually work. Oh yeah, we have to call it. Yes, that didn't actually that didn't change it. Let me go back to integers quickly. Take a look at that. One and two. That's one. Do that. Okay, and I need to go back here as well, and do LD, and well, I can comment this one out. But this one needs to be. That. That's it. Second most dedicated feminist after Queso. Is that how you say it, Queso? I'm not very familiar with that individual. Went to bed at 7 a.m. Holy crap! What the heck? What the heck? I don't think that's good. I don't think that's a good thing. All right. What do we have 0, 0? Ooh, so this is not right. Right, so that's the right. That's right. It doesn't exit the correct way. Oh yeah, it does, because it's 2 minus 2. So yeah, let me change this to 5. Okay, 253. Oh yeah, because that's negative numbers. That's not gonna work out. Make this one 5. 2. There we go. Okay, so that works. And it doesn't work without that. And it does. Okay, so that works. So it does reassign there. This becomes 6, and then we have that. 9 p.m. 10 p.m. usually. Well, like 10:30. I sort of get off the computer at around 9:30, 10. I do some reading and then go to bed. What rest does he like? For real, for real. Actually, go back. Okay, I'm printing out. I don't really need to print that out. Okay, so. I do minus. Does that work? Does that work? That's 4 and 2 and 2. Okay, and that's right. Okay, so let's go to floats again. But it seems the issue might just be with floats. Right, do that, and I need to change that. Here. Okay, and if I do that, rebuild it. Okay, and there we go. So fine. Yeah, so it doesn't work with floats. No, we can't really isolate it. That doesn't quite work. I don't have a function to print floats, but we can see this very clearly. So it went from 5 to 4 there, but it does not do that here. So it does seem to be an issue with that. Right. So reassigning floats, specifically floats. It's weird. What the heck? I guess like values, but when I do this, does it increase? I need to actually go here, and let's just put this back here. Does Kano display only lines that got edited? I'm not sure what exactly you mean by that. Does it display only lines that got edited? It shows. Yeah, I don't quite understand. Get at line 10. So yeah, it refreshes everything right now. Right. Once it gets more complex, I'm gonna need to refresh when it's necessary, right? But for now, it just does that, and the performance is mostly fine for me at least. Um, but yeah, once you have more complex stuff going on, we're gonna want a more complex rendering system, right? Yes, that doesn't. No, this one becomes 2. We had some loops. Large finally, for real. He's gonna keep going back and forth between FreeBSD and Orange. Let's see. Okay, add and sum. Okay, so we're adding 5 and 1. And that is correct. And we're subtracting 5 and 2. Okay, yeah, so it doesn't iterate. Telepathy, for real, for real. Rest by the way. See between. So it doesn't work. That is weird. But it only doesn't work with floats. What the heck is the deal with that? Is there something I am potentially missing here? So let's go. So we have reassign, right? This is where we do that. Basically we just gen the expert. That is the variable that we have, right? That's the value. Okay, so I think this is where the issue, at least partially, is that it doesn't actually happen. So gen expression. Let's go through. Okay, so we have the struct right like this. FreeBSD Streamlin. I'm good. Installed OpenBSD today, but we tried to put in the drivers. Oh yeah. Yeah. I saw that. Yes. I didn't even notice it was OpenBSD. OpenBSD though. I thought you said FreeBSD as well. So let's go back to that. Okay. Is there something here that's specific to? Right. That would specifically not work with floats. Floating point number. Chain field offset. So we add all that, and we push based on the type. And this is the best Arch installer. You can get stuck in another operating system without Wi-Fi. For real. Let's see. Bro, this is so weird. What the heck? Maybe it's an issue with. It's an issue with the virtual machine. So the issue is when we're adding it, right? It's not actually updating. When we're reassigning the addition to, does it not perform the addition? Could that be what it is? Could it be that? Because we interpret it as a float, but maybe it's not. Maybe it's not properly being interpreted. So if I put this fine out and I put it in here, is it correct? Is that correct? Let's see. Sub. So we get just sub, but no add. Okay. So the type is incorrect. Interesting. plus equals when? We'll get to that. We'll get to that. Okay, okay. So I think that might be the issue. It might be the type is not set properly, and then it doesn't actually, like, it doesn't interpret it properly, so it can't update it. The new stand. Right. So where do we? Could it be this? Oh, the type's not up to date. Push the size. I guess it's pushing the size. That's not gonna be. So gen read. What is gen read pushback? Let's read. Data dot type. So what is the data type of this? Alright, so let's see that. And we can probably be able to figure out which one it is, because it's gonna be a few of them. They're all zero. Okay, so that is wrong. That is mucho wrong. Can you count sus? The rock? Okay, because 0 is integer, and it's not an integer. So that is not right. Are we using the wrong thing? Data? Oh, we set the type equal to integer type. So that is not. So that's why it's integer type. So what is the type we're going to get here? We have the size, and we have the pointer data. We just interpret it as an integer, but we need other stuff. Shoot. This could be a big flaw, actually. Hang on. Let me think. How can we get the type from here? So we're reading it. We don't know what the type is. Shoot. Okay. That's not good. Index pointer. We just set it to integer type, but that may not be right. If I set it to float type, it's gonna interpret it as that. And then is this gonna work? It does. Okay. So, and then everything else works. So, dang, what the heck? This is a very, very bad bug. I do not like it. I need to set it to the type that we're reading from. We don't know what the type is. So we kind of need to push the type when we read. And so that wouldn't be too hard to change. If we have the first thing be that. So the top thing will be whatever the type is. Let's do the size of the type. We don't necessarily know based on that, right? So the type is going to be an integer type. What can it be? A U8 type? I think that should work. This will be, yeah, it's supposed to be a type. Type, okay, and then we can set, well, it can just be the enum, right? That's what we can push. Yeah, okay, so we can set the type equal to type. Okay, so if we do that, then anywhere that we read, we have to know what it is. Gigacal, emoji idea. So can we get the type here? So gen read. Anywhere that we call it read. So how many times do we do that? Quite a few. But not too many, I guess. So we don't necessarily know what it is, though, right? But we do have the structure, right? So let's go to each of the instances of it, and we have to push it before. So we do have the type here, so we can just gen push state and type. That might not be the correct type, but we should be able to convert it. If that does fail, right? Alright, let me try that. It might not work yet, because I kind of... Type does not exist. Okay, yeah, 628, that one does not exist. It's a log file. Yeah, so this one does not have the type. Do we need it? So gen struct field offset. Can we get it from there? Well, we have the structure type. Sure, that's just that. So then field offset. Could we put it in there? Well, we don't necessarily know what it is, though. That's an issue, right? And we have the variable type if we do this, so we can use that. Yeah, okay. So if we get the structure, right, so this isn't super efficient, but then we can do the push, and we can use the struct var dot type. We might have the data type, I'm not sure exactly. Let's see, so struct var is not used, no member name. Okay, so it's just type, I suppose. And struct name. Oh, we don't have struct name, we have structure. Type data, data type from type data. Okay, we need to do as you alright, do that. Really work. No. Expected integer. Okay. So I'm assuming that's this one. I'll do that. Hopefully this does not break a lot of stuff. But yes, that is where it is. So it doesn't have the type for some reason. Gen push for each time we push it. Right, that's kind of weird. Oh yeah, it has to be integer. That's what it pushes. That's fine. We can just interpret it that way. Not a big deal. Index out of range. Okay, so we have an index out of range. I wonder if that's from popping too many times, right? Is there an instance where we do not have this? Let's do something here, right? This as a I don't, because that's gonna it's gonna be casted the same way regardless. Yeah, we'll still get that. So is that gonna be? I missed somewhere in generate, perhaps. Push the type, push the type, push the type, push that type. Yeah, so it's not that. It's not that. Also, type isn't necessarily correct, so that probably won't work anyway. Let's use DBD perhaps. Let's click on run instructions. Run st.ks into the emulator. And let's just step through that and see perhaps where it is at. So we push all that, allocate stuff, grab it, and we push some values. And then I think we are going to read from it, right? Or write to it probably first. Yeah, write is first, that makes sense. That makes sense. Or is it just float? I don't know. Sometimes it's useful, right? To sort of see what's going on. Like that. Now are we reading? Or are we going to push again? And this is probably the data type value, right? So G instructions. Data IP is 4. Alright, so I'm assuming that probably is that. No, this is writing, so it's not. Let's see. This time? Probably this time. This will be a read. And then add PVP and read. And read. Okay, so what is print type? Print size. Size is 4. Size be 4. Because float. Okay, well, yeah, it's float. I guess float is that, right? And then the type might not necessarily be correct, but, you know. Okay, and then we have the pointer, so pointer data. And that does look like a pointer, so get the index. And print data.type. And it got set to double, so it's not quite right. So that might be causing some sort of an issue, but I want to see why it is out of bounds. Or no, yeah. What is that? Oh shoot, I know exactly why. So I need to update generate, right? Now it subtracts 3 rather than this line. Minus equals, well, 2. It pushes one more back, but it consumes 2. So, or it consumes 3 and pushes 1. So that is probably why that was doing that. There we go. Okay, so 0 and 2. I don't think that's right. What the heck? Right. Oh, yeah, but it's not a double. So the type is incorrect. And I know why. So we're using the wrong kind of type, basically. So we need to sort of convert it. So let's do to do that, and we pass the type in there, then you can sort of just switch over. So, perhaps, yeah, for all of them. We need to make a function for it, obviously, but just copy the whole thing. That'll be easy. Okay, so yeah, let's make this type to what the heck? Oh, we already had that? Wait. Oh shoot, what? Okay, I guess I have encountered this before, so I did not realize it. Okay, that's kind of funny. And I did the same name and everything. Whoops. 2. Alright, and let's see. So go back and it does not work. Type on the clear. Yes, that one is different, right? 6.9. So I need to use okay. And then bruh. The project rip. Alright, it does that. It still doesn't quite work though. That's not good. It still does not consider it a float. Why? A dot type and B dot type. Maybe both of those. Okay. 8, 8, 8. Alright, so 8 all the way down. But here it's 8 and 5, so that's interesting. And B is the data type that we use, right? We're gonna use, no, we use A. Is B right though? So B looks like it's probably right. Let's go to types, right? Data types. Where are they? Data type. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So float. So it's a pointer type. Why does it see it as a pointer type? I must have used something wrong somewhere. Right, because they all, it says that all the way for all of them, right? And these ones are actually correct. Actually both of them are correct, right? This one though, the first one is supposed to be 5. So, that is weird. Right, so this is, it's gonna be here, right? Is it? Let me think. Data type that we're using to push it back to the whole problem is that it doesn't interpret correct, so it has to be the right data type. We do this for both of them. Print struct bar type as well as type to data struct bar. Let's do that, and let's get rid of this one, at least for now. It's commented. without the space there. And freak, it's not working. Now it should. There we go. Yes, yes. 6. So now it's 6. Oh, wait. So 6 and 8. So 8 is not right. 6 is right. I guess I don't really have any information there. Basically what I'm working on right now is just fixing a bug. So basically it has to do with the way floats are interpreted. So I'm trying to be able to add and subtract, right? And it kind of works. But when you reassign them like this, it does not work because it doesn't read it properly, and then it doesn't have the correct type associated with it. So when it tries to add or subtract them, to reassign, it interprets it in a different way, like as an integer or whatever, and then it does not work basically. And 8 is not right, so that is not good. So why is that the struct variable type? So it's 6. Let's go here. Type. So 6 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why is it a pointer? Right, am I using the wrong thing? Do I not want to use the structure? I want to use the variable name, right? But I don't know if that would work. Does the expert field value have that? Alright, if we get the correct field from the structure, then that will, right? Because we're getting it as a structure, so that's why it doesn't work. So we need to use structure. And then we need to do 0, right, is less than struct. Well, we have to get the structure now. Structure, and I don't know exactly what it is, but it's past those. We get that. Then we have to get the field. Specify easily for real, dot values dot count, I think. And then if struct dot values dot data I. We need to compare this. So you compare that dot name or something like that with the var name. If that, then break. And then we can just do something like this. I equals 0. Oh, we need this. Square I here, and then we have I, right? We have I. The correct I, and we can use that base. Struct. We can't use struct, we need to use yeah, structure. Here it is. Structure dot values dot data I dot type. Something like that, right? Pointer. It's a pointer. Actually, that's probably an expression, right? So that's not good. So we need to use dot var dot a. Expert value. New to see. So far, you're enjoying it, and your YouTube channel is really motivating. Hey, that's great, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. And good luck. Good luck on your C journey. Do you have other programming experience? Or are you starting out with C? Struct is what it's called, okay. Shoot, there's a lot of stuff. Structure name is unequivalent, so why is that? Just structure, okay. No, where's the top down? Complete type for structure. Yeah, okay, so I can't call structure, so it needs to be starting out, nice, okay. That's cool to start out with C. Oh yeah, for sure, that's definitely one. Structure now, I guess. Oh, well, I'll just change it. Right, so that can be structure. This can be structure name. This can be structure name. And this can be structure name. And okay, now we're close. State. So the expected was structs is what it is. Never do JS. Yes, for sure. It is not healthy. Not good for you. Yeah, it is state struct, right? Variable, but it's expecting a name. Okay, so I do it here. Structure name. No, I'm going to use struct var. Value dot struct dot name. Something like that. That might be wrong. Structure structure. Yeah, so structure. That looks like that. So name. Okay, so it is going to be just name. Got it. So how people build websites. So usually you use JavaScript, right, for the front end part, because that's what is interpreted. That's the language that's interpreted by the browser. There are sort of ways to minimize the amount that you have to use, but it's pretty much unavoidable if you're making a front end website. To use it, like, you have to use it to some extent. No good structure. Don't build websites. Yeah, I think that's the best thing. Or if you're going to build a website, what you should do first is make a different web, all like new architecture, no JavaScript, stuff like that, and then make websites for that instead of for the standard web. Experience has no value. Okay. I think that, right? No. Experience. Oh shoot. Hang on. Let me look at struct var variable. So this have struct. Oh, it does have struct name. It just has that. Okay, so like that. Okay, get struct. Is get struct not right? Oh, it returns a node. Okay. Interesting. Let me go to offset. Did we get the struct? That's not the case where we have that structure. Okay. Better use other options, Ruby and Python. Those are, yeah, Python. I don't have any experience with Ruby, but Python, it's like meant to be easier in a sense. Right, but it also is a lot slower, right? So it's sort of trade-offs. So we do this. Okay, so we do struct. So that's what it is. Okay. Struct. And almost. Okay. Invalid initializer still. Why is that invalid? Oh, because it returns a node still. So value dot structure, I think. Value dot struct. Okay. And then we have this. Invalid type of So structure values. So let me look at struct. And what is that? It has values. Okay. Values dot count. Yes. And then values dot data. what is values again? So no. So why is wait, wait, wait. Okay. Change a lot of stuff. Okay. That was promising. So that looks like it went from 5 to 6. Let me try subtraction again. Minus 1. You can, okay. There we go. For how long have you been coding? I have been coding since, let's see. So it's been, I was 12 when I started. So it's been like 6.5 years, I think now. Yeah, about 6.5 years. Write your own language and your own parser for that, making it interactable with the DOM. Yeah, that could work as well. Either way, either way. Okay, so that works. And let me make sure it still works with integers now. Int. It's not going to output them properly, but times 0. That is not right. So, Right. Let's point it out like this. Get rid of this one. And actually, it's in the sub, so it's sub. We've all done that for sure, no doubt. To flavor 19 and had to bring to 21. Fully incorrect. Alright. Waiting since 2021. Mama Yoko Zero, thanks for following. Really appreciate it, bro. Profit is really for real. As float, that is not right. It's stupid. Need to change it from as float to as int. How to do int. Just a WLAN. And yeah, so that this one is right. 5 and 1. This is not. What? Right, we have. Okay, yeah, so now we're perfect for that one. Coded in 2019. Holy crap, what the heck, bro? Wait, that's. Bro, so you were like 8? What the heck? I mean, they don't want to dox you, Not dox, but age dox, whatever. Does it work with addition? No. So what the heck? So that must be the pointer? But why? If the type's not right, then it's still going to do that, right? If it's interpreting as a float now or something. I'll print out the data type here. Let's just add it in. What is that? I got docs. Go to your GitHub. Yeah, for real. I didn't even notice that until Stan pointed it out. Let's see. Okay. 5 and 5. So that is not right, right? It's supposed to be 0. This one's 5 and 0. But yeah, so that's going to be where the issue is. So with this, it interprets it incorrectly. So what the heck, man? What the heck, man? Yeah. So this is where the issue starts, right? Then they all get interpreted as that. So type to data, is that right? So 0, yeah, that should be right. I don't think that's gonna be an issue. To data. Let's see. So I guess it could be type. Oh yeah, but that type, yeah. Okay, so we're not doing any of these. So it's gonna be with the field, wouldn't it? Nice. I get that joke. Okay, let's print out this. So structure.value.data on .type. What is that? It should be 0, right? So both of them integer is 0. 4 is not right. Why does it think it's that? What the heck? Did I forget to change it? You know, it's 2. No, not that fat. Integer, right? It's integer, so, Canovirus? That's a genius idea. Genius. Canovirus. Yeah, interesting. Interesting. Okay. Mm. Hey, thank you for the gifted sub. Pog champ. Appreciate it. Gotta send the emoji, right? There we go. Okay. So yeah. So why is it pressing the wrong type? I don't understand. This is the wrong type. Why is this the wrong type? Going all the way back here. It's all wrong. It's all wrong. Oh no, not the JS. The JS is good though. It's funny. It's actually making fun of it. It's supposed to be like a badge, you know, professional JavaScript developer. Okay. Uh, okay. Try not to spam too much. Or instant ban. Okay, is I. Let me put this each iteration, perhaps. Let's bring out the I as well. So, bring out the I. Yes, I always call it I. Insta ban stamma. Okay, let's see. So I. Alright, so 0, 0. It just stays 0. But they're all 4. And 4 is 0, 1. Let's go. Another gifted sub. Thank you. Right here. When it was. Goat. Yeah, goat for real. Yeah, thank you. Appreciate that. 2 gifted subs. Becoming rich for real. You're gonna just cash out. So yeah, hey, what was it? 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so it thinks to float. That is a prop. Do I have somewhere right? Just say it's a. Go to the Theo. Theo. Here, I can. I'll get Theo. Hang on. Hang on, it's loading. Yeah, this is Theo. The goat. We love Theo. Okay. Right. So it is the wrong. Yeah, I'm getting distracted, and then yeah. So it's 4 for some reason in the structure. It just thinks it's 4 the whole time. Thinks it is a float. Calm down with the spam in it. Emoji spam. All right. Why is it always float? Why is it though? That's actually kind of sucks. So variable name, get the variable there. Pajus. Right, if it reaches the end though, right, then we have an issue. So maybe that needs to be the issue, right? If I equals Then there. Let's do. What can I use for the location? Structure values data 0. Wait, hang on. Structure values data 0. Location and just player. Right. So let's do that. I'm not sure. I don't think that's gonna work actually. Winning on gambling. Right. So we don't get there, but I think let me think. Less than that. And if we get to that, let's check this actually. Equals that, then putting it right in the loop. Right, so that's not the error. So it does encounter the property. Actually, I can check that way better. Let me do that instead. So if not, you compare all of these things, right? You compare all this. There we go. Structure values data name and var.name. I'm gonna put this on the new line. Okay, and that does not work. Var name, not var dot. Holy crap! A lot of stuff going on. Confused. Yeah, calm down. It's not spamming indeed, for real. And it's still, yeah, so that is not, that's not the issue, so that is good. So we do at least encounter it, but, it's the wrong value. So why is that? Why does it think that's the value? I don't get that part exactly. Let's do a space and review print, and I'm going to print out the structure. I use data I value or value back. You know what? How am I doing struct? I'm gonna go to struct. Nodes. That's the issue. In the nodes. We're using the node type. And that's the wrong thing. Okay. Shoot, and that's okay. I think that might be what the issue is. Now that I'm thinking about it, right? I need to use the value of type. So let me get rid of this. Emacs, use that here, value.var.type. Okay, so I think that's what the issue is actually. And that's not correct. var.type. And this is wrong. I need to fix this. Wrong. Okay. Alright, it looks like that worked. So the type is actually interpreted correctly. Let's go back to the float. So it was a weird coincidence that it was the same number as the float. If I do this and I make it a float, right? And I change all this back. Oh, then it should be the correct value. I do have to change it here now. This is the only way we can see the float. See the float. Add as well as sub. We need to look at both. Installment Emacs. Okay, let's run it. And 5 and 5, and that is correct. Okay. Thank goodness that worked. I need to get rid of all these things. Is it one in here? No. And right here. Okay, so I think we got that working now, but we can actually interpret the type. It's a bit of work because of problems, but I think we're good. I think we are Tamaguchi. Go to the website, stallman.org. Oh yeah, W. I mean, not W. I mean, yeah. I don't know, actually. Name your representatives. What the heck? Is he going into politics now? Interesting. And there we go. Now you have resubscribe. Appreciate that. With the message lol, I will pop that out. There we go. Lol. W message. W message. Also, 25% of the way to the sub goal. All right. Appreciate that. Thank you very much. I can't really actually see that word because it's float, but if I change it to, let's go between the different integers. So int, let's do that. Alright, so this is now gifting five subs. What the heck is that what it says? Oh, a hype train. That's what it says. Wait, I don't get how this works. Hang on, this has never happened before. Oh, it is a bunch of subs. Wait. Oh shoot. Thank you. Alright. Gifting 5 tier 1 sub. Yeah, so that is what it is. Yes. Appreciate that. Hype train. What is a hype train? I've not had that before. Oh, I see. Yes, okay. This is stuff that it's not happened before, so I don't know what it all means. Yes. Thank you. So that's to all these different people. So I can actually probably show who all the people. You know, in case they watch the VOD of it. So to wait, can I not see it now? Is it here? What is gone? Okay, never mind. Okay, it was in the chat and then it went away when I popped it out. So, but yeah, thank you, appreciate that a lot, very much. Someone's a communist? I thought it was like a libertarian. Hey, is that right? 5 and 6. Yes, that is right. I'm gonna hit a U8, and then that should be all that changes that. Can't give to certain people. Is that, yeah, so that works. Okay, so it looks like it's gonna work for all the types. That is a, so let's do this one and then okay. Thank goodness. So good theme. Let's do test camera now. What's that one? This appears to. That might be maybe because I am doing this wrong, right? So player. So that's not what it is. Hang on. Yeah, so it still doesn't work. But that might be because the speed is too high, right? Too. Alright, there we go. Yes, thank goodness. Okay, so I think that's what the whole issue was. It was with floats, because it was the incorrect type, right? Okay, yeah, so I will actually what the heck? Whoops. Yeah, I'm with replays. Alright, W stream for real. I do have to go. I have about 5 more minutes, so I'll push this. Really, this might be for real. Basically any language that's not C or C++ says that. Let's see. So this major issue with variables where after reading instruction, I don't know why I'm capitalizing like this, where the value pushed back will have the type of int, which causes major problems, which causes fix that. It's a major problem. There we go. Push that. Doesn't mean that big. W. Okay, so let me go back to this one and try to, well, let's go to this one. Now I'm going to try to do it with a rectangle now. So we draw a rectangle rect, and it should work, right? So this can be a rectangle. Yeah, and 50. I think that's how it works. But it might be actually. I go here. Yeah, alright, so that is right. So it's all floats. And then I do that. Both sides, design system. Yeah. This needs to be like this. There we go. 100% double. Okay, something's wrong. What the heck? Why is this? What the heck? Just the chat logs? Interesting. Oh yeah, where is that? So 51. So it's probably an issue with this. So draw a rectangle. X, Y, width, and height, right? Alright, wait, what happened? I don't, hang on. Level 2 complete. Oh, it finished. Okay. I see. So what is this hype train emote? Sorry, it's not happening. I don't know exactly what it is, but it says Twitch hype train. I have this emote now. Good one. W. Okay. Alright. Yeah, I do not know what happened exactly, but emotes. What did they expect one to find in double? Player rectangle, right? Player rectangle. Rectangle. Okay. Is it from this one? Yes. Okay. Can't do it like that. Exactly. We need the player. And also the foreground color. It's not capital P. Oh wait, that would. What the heck? Oh wait, was I doing play.x or something? Alright, and this looks like it works. That is huge relief. Alright, I thought it wasn't actually that big of a bug. Don't know what happened. Alright, there we go. Yeah, so I do about have to go, but I am very glad that this works now. So we can use the rectangle, which is sort of how it's meant to be, and then there's going to be a lot of other things. So that is good. Fixed a major bug. And actually, did I create an issue for that? I might have. Maybe not. Okay, it doesn't look like it. There's some other issues in there, but not big deals. Yeah, alright. Very happy about that. So we can change the speed to whatever. I can make it, whoops, 0.1. Yeah, now it's really slow. Alright, this is awesome. Epic. Check this out before you're out. Recaps. Okay, we can look at the Twitch recap. Bam. Alright. Let me actually get this over here. There we go. And the train to train before. Recap for Kobe Killing. In May. Time stream 10 hours 15 minutes. That's not that much. Shoot. Yeah, I was kind of not streaming very much in May. Shoot. I guess I must only stream like 10 times. What the heck? Usually I stream like 20, 30 at least. Usually more. I was up to like 80 hours. Yep, that's the top emote. Now it's gonna be the rock. Yeah, seriously. Chat sent 423. Yep, alright, makes sense. Only 8 times, really? 8 times in the whole month? Huh. Total month subscribed? Top clips, W. What is this clip? What? More memories. Alright, W. Very big W. Top emo JS? Yeah, we gotta get it to that, for sure. Gotta get it up there. I'll spam it a few times, just to make sure. There we go. Bam. Alright, yeah, so that's probably gonna be about it. Let me just make sure everything's looking good. I'm very glad. So I'll update this the next stream. So we can get back to the game now, right? Because that was sort of the point of this. Yeah, alright. So major W's. Check Discord. All right, what's going on in the cord, eh? In the Discord. What is this? Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Yo, what the heck, bro? For real? 5 more? Holy crap! Thank you. Appreciate that. All right. All right. Yeah, 5 more gifted subs. Yeah. All right. Just random people that watch, I suppose. Thank you. I appreciate that. You are now the gifted sub top person by a lot. All right. Thank you. But yeah. So this is what's that about? It's the e-girl stalker for sure. I don't know what that's about. It's probably some bot or something. Buy some Stallman posters. That's a good idea. Get one for everyone. Do they have Stallman posters? Hang on. Hang on. Oh yeah. Some of these. Which one? Freedom or open? That's a W. How much are they? Probably like 20 bucks. Yeah, $20. I should get one, put it right behind me right up here. That'd be awesome. Soviet one. Where's that one? Doesn't I don't see the Soviet one. Oh, this one right here. It's like that's Che Guevara, right? Probably Soviet. $13? Was perfect? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alternatively though, could get like a green screen, put it back there, or blue screen, whatever. And then have any image, like changing images, That could be cool as well. I need to get better lighting though. The lighting's not very good. Let me print it for real, for real. Wait. Wait. Sodium and Stallman? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So the green screen is worse than actually good background. That's true. But it's just, more creative liberty. All right, yeah, I do actually have to go now, though. Let me close. All right, so okay, yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and yeah, thanks for all the subs as well. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time. And one more sub. All right, there we go. To finish it off, one more sub. To that's a lot of subs though. What's that now? Hang on, let me see. How many is that? It says next to thing. Hang on. So that's what was it? It was 14. Is that right? Yes. Bye bye. All right. It says gift a total of 13. Wait, is that so 13 or 4? Yeah. So gifted 13 and then also the resub. All right. Yeah. Well, thank you. I very much appreciate that. Very cool. Started the hype train and all that stuff. Okay. Yeah. So I do actually have to go. So thank you for watching, and thank you again, and I'll see you next time.